Top luxury barndominium homes you must see. Imagine a home that perfectly blends rustic charm with sleek modern luxury, a place where the warmth of country living meets the sophistication of contemporary design. That is the essence of the luxury barndominium. These homes are no longer just converted barns or practical rural structures. They have evolved into architectural masterpieces that rival the most stunning mansions in the world. When we talk about 100+ top luxury barndominium homes you must see, we are entering a world of unique beauty, creativity, and lifestyle dreams made real. Each of these homes tells a story, and every detail is a reflection of both personal taste and masterful craftsmanship. A luxury barndominium often begins with an idea, a desire to create a space that feels wide open yet cozy, timeless yet innovative. The large, open layouts are perfect for those who love space and natural light. High vaulted ceilings draw the eyes upward, often revealing exposed beams that carry the strength and history of traditional barn construction. The walls might be finished in rich wood, smooth plaster, or even sleek steel, combining textures in a way that feels both inviting and impressive. Large windows frame the surrounding landscapes, whether they open onto rolling farmland, quiet forests, or wide-open plains. From the moment you step inside, you feel connected to nature, but with every modern comfort within arm's reach. The luxury element comes from the attention to detail and the quality of the materials. Many of these top barndominiums feature custom cabinetry, stone countertops, and premium hardwood flooring. Kitchens are often designed not just for cooking but for gathering, massive islands, professional-grade appliances, and open flows into the dining and living areas make them the true heart of the home. Living rooms are spacious yet warm, often centered around grand fireplaces or stylish media walls. Lighting is another signature feature. Beautiful chandeliers, recessed fixtures, and floor-to-ceiling windows that bathe the rooms in natural daylight. But these homes are not just about the interiors. Step outside and you'll see sprawling patios, wraparound porches, and outdoor kitchens that make entertaining a joy. Many luxury barndominiums include swimming pools, hot tubs, and landscaped gardens that transform the outdoor space into a personal resort. Some owners take inspiration from their rural surroundings, incorporating barns for horses, workshops for hobbies, or large garages for classic cars and recreational vehicles. Others lean more towards the modern villa style, with minimalist landscaping, sleek concrete patios, and infinity pools that blend seamlessly into the horizon. Every one of these top luxury barndominium homes is designed to suit the lifestyle of its owners. Some are built as family estates, with multiple bedrooms, guest wings, and play areas for children. Others are created as retreats, peaceful, private getaways where the only sounds are the wind in the trees and the crackle of a fire. There are even barndominiums designed for entertaining on a grand scale, with massive dining halls, game rooms, home theaters, and full bars. The versatility of the barndominium style means it can be as rustic or as glamorous as you want, while always maintaining that sense of openness and connection to the land. One of the most striking things about the barndominium trend is how it redefines rural architecture. Traditional barns were built for function, to house animals or store crops, and yet their simple, sturdy forms have proven to be the perfect foundation for luxury living. Architects and designers are taking these forms and elevating them with modern engineering and artistic creativity. Steel framing allows for vast open interiors without the need for many support walls, creating a sense of freedom inside the home. Exterior finishes can range from classic red barn siding to sleek black metal panels, from natural wood planks to whitewashed stone. The combination of industrial strength and refined beauty gives these homes their unique appeal. The locations of these 100+ top luxury barndominiums are as diverse as their designs. Some sit on sprawling ranches in Texas, with views that stretch for miles under endless skies. Others are tucked into the green hills of Tennessee, where morning mist wraps the home in a soft blanket of quiet. You might find them along coastal plains, where salty breezes flow through open windows, or in the mountains, where snow gently gathers on pitched roofs in the winter. Each location adds its own flavor to the home, and many designs take inspiration from the surrounding environment to make the most of their natural beauty. When it comes to the interior decor of these luxury barndominiums, there is no single formula. Some embrace a full rustic style, with reclaimed wood, stone fireplaces, and warm earth tones that make you feel as though you've stepped back in time, but with every modern convenience. Others take a modern approach, using glass, steel, and polished concrete for a clean, minimalist look. Many homes blend the two, creating a transitional style that combines the best of both worlds. You might see an ultra-modern kitchen set against the backdrop of an old barn wall, or a plush leather sofa beneath massive wooden beams that have stood for decades. Another reason these homes have gained so much popularity is their practicality. Barndominiums are often more cost-effective to build than traditional homes of the same size, and their energy efficiency can be excellent with the right insulation and window design. This means that owners can invest more in luxury features and custom details without breaking the budget. For some, this has meant the freedom to create dream homes that would have been out of reach in another style of construction. For others, it's about the ability to have a large, open home that still feels warm, personal, and connected to its surroundings. Walking through a luxury barndominium is an experience in itself. You enter through large double doors, often crafted from wood or steel, and are immediately struck by the openness of the space. The air feels expansive, the light pours in, and there is a quiet elegance in every corner. As you explore, you notice how each room flows naturally into the next, how the design invites you to keep moving and discovering. Bedrooms are spacious, with views that make waking up a joy. Bathrooms are spa-like, with soaking tubs, walk-in showers, and the kind of finishes you would expect in a five-star hotel. Even utility spaces like mudrooms and laundry rooms are designed with care, often featuring custom storage and beautiful finishes. At the heart of all these 100-plus top luxury barndominium homes is a balance of comfort and style. They are homes meant to be lived in, not just admired from a distance. They offer the space for families to grow, for friends to gather, and for memories to be made. They reflect a lifestyle that values both the traditions of the past and the possibilities of the future. Whether you dream of a cozy cabin feel or a glamorous modern retreat, the barndominium style can make it a reality. As you see each of these incredible properties, you'll notice how no two are exactly alike. Some might impress you with their sheer scale, others with their intricate details, and still others with their breathtaking locations. But all of them share that unmistakable barndominium spirit, the ability to feel both grand and welcoming, both strong and graceful, both timeless and modern. It's this combination that has captured the imagination of homeowners, builders, and designers around the world. By the time you've explored all 100 plus of these top luxury barndominium homes, you may find yourself dreaming of building one of your own. And why not? They prove that with the right vision, materials, and craftsmanship, it's possible to create a home that is not only a place to live, but a place to love for generations to come.